with your route, you might find that actually I don't really want my aircraft to be flying around over the houses. What you can do is change your route angle. So do you want the route to be sort of almost parallel and flying straight down your patrol route? Or would you like it to basically, rather than flying over the houses, fly over the trees in the field? And the gimbal tilt angle, 45 degrees. And I wouldn't change this. Unlike 2D mapping, where you want that direct overhead nadir looking down, as it were, like we have here with the map, in order for the AI in the drone to properly work, you want to get height data for it to analyze. So that's why you're going to have the 45-degree angle. So it can get a sideways look, an oblique look at the area it is patrolling, and then it can get an indication of height and movement, and then hopefully a more accurate alert.